Ito mga boss, ang katatapos na Omega Combate 17 sa pagitan ng bata ni Coach Nonoy Neri, dating IBF Minimum Weight World Champion Mark Rene Cuarto kontra kay AJ Pasiones. Ito ang highlight sa round 2 mga boss.
Left hook to the liver. There you go. Another uppercut to the body. Pasiones. So far, working combination for Pasiones. He's going to attack the body. Either a right hook to the body or standing 8 count for Cuarto. Right hook to the body. Perfectly timed there. Pasiones. However, the veteran in Cuarto continued before. Stand up, throws it off. Now, however, confidence boost yun for Pasiones. 10-8 round right away. Pasiones needs to be careful though. Almost hit him with that uppercut in the middle. So far, as we approach the final 30 seconds of the second round. Good patience being displayed by Pasiones, not rushing into a knockout. He knows it's a long fight. There by Cuarto. Slapping the body of Cuarto with that jab. The thing with Pasiones is not staying after he throws a combination. Not giving Cuarto an opportunity to hit back. 10 seconds in the second round. Definitely a round for Pasiones. Good sneaky uppercut by Pasiones. Knockdown once again.
Break it down. Judge Melto Arong scores about 96-93 for Pasiones. Judge Romar Limbudo scores about 95-94 for Cuarto. Judge Rolando Mendoza scores about 96-93 for your winner by a split decision, Arvin John Pasiones!
Talagang pang world caliber itong si AJ Pasiones mga boss. May edad lamang ito sa ngayon na 19 kaya malayo pa ang mararating sa bata na ito mga boss.